Hello children, greetings from Fortune High School. I'm your teacher, Deepanita Roy Choudhury. In this session, we are going to learn about air. This is a topic from the subject Environmental Studies. Name of the lesson is Air Around Us. This is the lesson number 11. So, the air is all around us. We all need air to live. In fact, all the living things need air. It's the most important thing of our life. Let's start with the properties of air first. Air is all around us. Air has no smell, shape, and color. Air has weight and fills up space. Moving air is called wind. A gentle or slow wind is called a breeze. A strong and fast moving wind is called a storm. Storms may cause damage to trees and houses. All living things need air to breathe. Air is needed for burning things. Air gives shape to things. When the air becomes warm, it becomes light in weight. Air is everywhere. When you are sitting at home reading book comfortably, air is all around you. Or when you're going out and playing, in the playground also air is there. Air is everywhere. Without air, we can't live. Air takes up all the things that we give out from our bodies and homes. Air has no smell unless it's dirty or you get beautiful fragrance of flowers when you're going to a garden with a lot of flowers, or you get a smell of the perfume. Air has no shape. Air fills up space like tires, footballs, or swimming tubes, or air furnitures. In this picture, children, we're going to find two tubes. One is without air, it doesn't have a shape, and another one which has a shape as it contains air. Air can give shape to things as it occupies space. Air has no color. You can only feel it when it moves and you feel good. Air has weight and fills up space to give a shape. You blow in air in the balloon to give it a proper shape. Air has weight. This we are going to see by doing a small activity. We are going to fill two balloons of similar size and hang those two balloons around a hanger. What we are going to observe, children? See here, the hanger will be straight, hanging straight because they have the similar weight. And then we are going to prick one of the balloon with a sharp needle. The balloon with a hole will be empty without any air into it. And the other balloon with the air will keep on going down and down because of the weight of the air. Thus, we get into the conclusion that air has weight. A gentle or slow air is called a breeze. Moving air is called wind. Wind helps us to fly a kite or to sail a boat, dry our clothes faster. It also helps the blades of the windmill to move and produce electricity, which is one of the most important elements of our life. A strong and fast blowing wind is called a storm. There are different kind of storms. They are as follows. Thunderstorms, the storms that brings a heavy rain, lightning and thunder, we call them thunderstorms. The storms which carries dust with them are called dust storms. Storms which carry sand with them, we call them sandstorms. And the storms that brings snowfall are called snowstorms. Storms may cause damage to trees and houses. See how much damages it has made to the properties and house, and it has also uprooted one of the tree. Uses of air. Air is needed for drying clothes. Air is needed for sailing boat, and it also is be needed for making electricity by moving the blades of the windmill. All living things need air to breathe. Children, animals and human beings, they are taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. We need air for breathing. Fishes also need air for breathing, and they take in air through their gills in water. Air is filled in footballs, cycle tires, and swimming tubes. Air is also needed for fire burning. Oxygen is the most important gas for living things to stay alive. Air is a mixture of different gases. Air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and many other different gases. Children, you'll be glad to know that Earth is the only planet in the universe that has oxygen on it. Plants, while making their food in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen, which is very important for us. Air is needed for burning things. Oxygen is also important for the fire to exist. This we are going to see by doing a small activity. We are going to take a candle and then we are going to burn the candle and see it's burning. Then we are going to cover this candle with a glass container which doesn't have a outlet. What we are going to see, children? See, the candle stops burning. Why is it so? Yes, because the oxygen in the gas that was present in the glass got used up. That is, there's no air in the glass. That's why the candle is burning no more. So thus we come to the conclusion that air is needed for burning things. When air becomes warm, it becomes light in weight. Warm air is lighter than cold air. Therefore, air rises up. What does air contain? Let's see. Yes, air contains water vapor, smoke, dust, germs, and many other things. Air picks up dust when we sweep our homes or roads. The germs, smog, and dust present in the air is very harmful for our health. Now we have to see to prevent how to prevent the pollution in the air. We must see that the smoke from the factories should be controlled. We must stop burning garbages and we must check vehicles for pollution regularly and keep our garbages in covered dustbins. Plants keeps air fresh and clean. How they do it? Let's see. Animals and human beings are taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Whereas plants, they are taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. And this oxygen is very important for us. How we can keep air clean? We must breathe in fresh and clean air. It's important for our good health. We should grow more plants as plants keep air fresh and clean. So, children, we all must protect our earth by keeping the air clean. I hope, children, you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.